how to create custom shortcuts or hotkeys in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With Photoshop open, head up to Edit, then come down to Keyboard Shortcuts. This will open up this window. Here you can customize a bunch of different shortcuts for your program. We can go through keyboard shortcuts and menus. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to go into keyboard shortcuts, and here you can see a shortcuts for drop down, and we can choose from application menus, panel menus, tools and task spaces. For this example, we're going to focus on tools. It's the most common one, and you'll notice that all of these tools are the tools that we have over here in the left hand panel. To change the shortcut for any of these tools, all you have to do is click onto that tool, click into the text box, and then delete the letter and choose a new letter for that tool. Let's go for Q, for example. As we can see there, immediately Photoshop is warning us, saying that if we choose to go for this letter, it's going to override a shortcut that is already in place for this action. You can do one of two things here. You can either choose to undo and choose a new letter, or you can choose accept to override that shortcut. But by doing that, we'll remove this Q letter from this original shortcut. For this example, I'm just going to accept this. Next, we can do either one of two things. We can save that change to the current set of shortcuts, which is what we see here, or we can create a new set based on the current set of shortcuts. If you want to maintain your Photoshop default, for example, you can click this button, and I do recommend doing that. So I'm just going to create a new set by clicking this button. It will open up a save window. I'm just going to save this as demo, for example, and then choose save. And as we can see there, we now have two sets of shortcuts, and the demo one that we've just created is there. Next, click OK to come out of this. Now if we press Q on our keyboard like we did just now, it's highlighted our elliptical selection tool up here, and we can start using this tool from that shortcut. And that's all there is to it.